customer avatar. You need to have all the demographics of your customer. Each and every demographic of your customer should be known to you. And how will this happen? Once you have started selling your product, you would reach out to multiple age groups. जब आप multiple age groups तक गए हैं, उसके बाद you will figure out who's the one who's buying your product more often, which category do they become a part, are they a part of? You will figure out all those things, and that's what's going to really help you. So you need to know their age, their work area, their location, their interests, their buying behavior. All these things need to be known to you. That's important. By the way, the spelling of behavior is correct. It shows wrong because of British English and US English accent. Got it? Right. So let me, okay, one more thing that some individual is looking, the desired goals. Why will they like to go for the opportunity that you are offering to them? So you need to be aware about their demographics. उनका एज क्या है, वो किस इंटरेस्ट, किस एरिया में, किस जॉब सेक्टर में, किस काम में करते हैं, क्या बिजनेस करते हैं अगर बिजनेस वाले लोग हैं तो. What is their location? What is their interest? How do you think? What is it that interests them so that you can be present over there? What is their buying behavior? When do they buy? Facebook gives you all the data, by the way. And you will also get to know how by interacting with people who are in their age group. For example, if you talk about my program, if you talk about Communication Mastery, CM here stands for Communication Mastery. Most of the people who enroll to our program are between the age group 25 to 50 years. And they are from metro, or if you can use this term, sub-metro places. That's the average age of most of the people who are from that category. So what we will do is we will get in front of these people who belong to this particular area, who belong to this particular age group, because they have understood the importance of investing on themselves, investing on their knowledge, and they have also understood why it is essential for me, as well as they also have the pockets to pay the money. That's important. So you need to figure out all these things for yourself. Now, somebody has written over here, I am 21 and I'm not from a metro city at all. That's absolutely able to tap in people from different places. That's well and good. That's the power of our content. You would have become a part of some of my training programs because you would have followed me on Instagram or YouTube. Which platform did you follow me on? My free training, let me know. I've given you the right answer right now. But when we run ads, we will reach out to people who come in this particular category. So, right, you followed me on YouTube, then you became a part of my free training, and then you became a part of my program. Am I right? Right. So understand this. This is how it matters. This is how it works. So that's the point about it. If you also multiply your content and you get in front of more people, you will get even more opportunities for your own self. That's what happens. That's the power. But when you will know your customer avatar, your marketing cost will go down and your revenue would automatically grow. Let me repeat, your marketing cost will go down, your lead generation cost will go down, and your revenue would automatically increase. And even if your lead generation cost remains the same, if the revenue increases, that's what you want. Get that done, and then you would realize opportunities. Somebody says, if that customer is a student or a teenager that don't earn, then that's a problem. Then you need to figure out a way on how will you be able to reach out to their parents or the owners of colleges or institutes. Just like what White Hat Junior does. Now, White Hat Junior runs ads on Facebook. They don't run ads. I won't comment upon the quality of their product. Okay. I'm giving you an example in terms of their marketing strategy. So what they do is they run ads on Facebook and Instagram because they want to reach out to parents, because they are the ones who are going to take the decision to pay the fees for their children. Same is the thing that is done by Byju's, and that's the reason why Byju's bought White Hat Junior. So they are reaching out to the perfect customer avatar. वो बच्चों को ads थोड़ी ना दिखा रहे हैं क्योंकि बच्चे थोड़ी ना pay करेंगे. They run ads for the parents because parents are the ones who are going to make the decision. Their customer avatar is the parent. That's important. I'll give you one more example. I'm sure so many of you follow IPL. Why is it that Dream 11 sponsored IPL? Why did they not sponsor anything else? Why did they not sponsor any daily show that comes on TV? Because that's not their target audience. That's not their customer avatar. Their customer avatar comprises people who watch cricket because they wanted people to make teams. You get that? That's important. That's the reason why they were there. So it's very important that you figure out who your perfect customer avatar is and then you reach out to those people. Extremely essential and extremely powerful. You see, when you put in all these changes in your work, you would then realize that revenue generation is going to grow like anything. That's extremely, extremely powerful. Is that good? Is that understood by all? Good. Now, the task for you is, please let us know about the importance of customer avatar. Please let us know about the importance of customer avatar.